Today in history. 13 December 1988, hopeful with clear skies. Geneva, Switzerland. Dear Diary, today, I saw something very exciting. Yasser Arafat, a very important leader for Palestine, gave a special speech at the United Nations meeting in Geneva, Switzerland. Many people were there to watch him speak. He couldn't go to New York because the United States wouldn't let him. Everyone was buzzing with excitement because he was going to talk about the rights of the Palestinian people. I learned that Yasser Arafat is the chairman of the Palestine Liberation Organization, or PLO for short. The PLO was made so Palestinians could have their own voice. They wanted to fight for their rights. Many people are unhappy in Palestine because they want their own country. Listening to him today made me understand how important it is for people to stand up for what they believe in. Before today, there had been very hard times for Palestinians. Something called the First Intifada had happened. A lot of people were rising up to fight against being controlled. Many news stories showed the struggles they faced. It was sad to see, but today's event gave me hope that things could change for the better. When Arafat started his speech, everyone was very quiet. They were listening closely to him. He made a big announcement about Palestinian independence. He asked everyone to support Palestinians and understand their dream of having their own country. It was inspiring to hear him talk about peace and rights. You could feel the energy in the room as people clapped and cheered. I felt really proud to be there. People from different countries were all around us. It seemed like they were working together for a better future. Watching Arafat express his heart made me think about how important it is for everyone to be heard. I remember my friend Fatima, whose family was affected by these issues. She was so happy to see someone representing her community. As Arafat finished, everyone gave him a big round of applause. It felt like we were all part of something important together. The meeting ended with many conversations shared. It was exciting to think this event could lead to real changes for the Palestinian people in the future.